Picture a massive room. Inside, we gather exactly 367 randomly selected strangers. What do you think the odds are that at least 2 of these people share the exact same birthday? Naturally, we process this through the lens of probability. We weigh the variables, thinking about chance and the likelihood of a coincidence occurring in a crowd this size. In this specific scenario, however, we have crossed a threshold of absolute certainty. The odds are exactly 100%. How does a scenario built around randomly selected strangers bypass chance to become an unbending mathematical requirement? To see how a random event becomes inevitable, we have to look past the individuals and identify the physical boundaries of the system containing them. This is the Pigeonhole Principle. It states that if you place more items in containers than there are containers available, at least one container must hold more than one item. Consider the namesake metaphor: pigeons moving toward a row of nesting holes. If pigeons outnumber holes, the outcome is fixed before they land. As birds settle, space disappears. The final bird has nowhere to go, forcing it to share an occupied space. This law applies directly to our room of 367 strangers. We define the containers as the maximum number of possible birthdays on a calendar, which, including February 29th, is 366 days. That 367th person is our extra pigeon. Even if the first 366 people manage to claim every unique day on the calendar, the available space is gone. The final person's birthday is mathematically forced to overlap with someone else's. The limits of the container eliminate the possibility of chance. When the volume of a system exceeds its capacity, overlaps are forced into existence. This logic defines the behavior of our digital world. Computers might seem to offer infinite possibilities, but they operate within the finite boundaries of memory and processor cycles. This is particularly visible in computer science, specifically in data compression and cryptographic hash functions. A hash function takes a virtually infinite amount of input data, our digital pigeons, and compresses it into a strictly fixed number of output bits, which serve as the holes. The Pigeonhole Principle dictates the result. Because possible inputs vastly outnumber fixed outputs, the system runs out of unique slots. This collision represents a physical limit, a mathematical certainty where 2 different pieces of data are forced into the same output block. Engineers use this principle to calculate the exact threshold where a system will mathematically fail, allowing them to build safeguards into the architecture. Modern digital security relies on managing these guaranteed, inescapable overlaps. In higher mathematics, the Pigeonhole Principle serves as a tool known as an existence proof. An existence proof allows us to guarantee that a specific overlap or property must exist, even if we never explicitly identify the exact example ourselves. Fields like combinatorics and number theory rely on this logic to prove that structure and order persist within even the most chaotic systems. Limits impose structure. These overlaps are inherent laws governing any finite system. When we apply this rigor to the building blocks of numbers themselves, we find similar certainties. This brings us to a specific result in number theory about the nature of primes, Wilson's theorem.